Alright, so GamePH3244 left a comment on my video how to apply labels in Blender3D, wanting to know how to create a clear separation between the label and the bottle. So let's just head on over to our shading tab, and let's just go ahead and switch off this label that's just hanging around in the background. And let's just switch to render view. So if we look at the label and the bottle, both of them have different materials. However, if you kind of zoom in, you'll notice that there is no clear separation between the label and the bottle. So looking at it from a distance, it's totally fine. However, if you are going to be zooming way in, then you want to have that separation between the label and the bottle. So in order to do this, create a displacement node and plug the image texture alpha into the height and the displacement into the displacement of the material output. And that's immediately going to create some separation between the two. You'll already see that the label is catching the light. And so we'll maybe want to tone this down to say 0.5, and it'll vary depending on what label you choose to use. But the label is not going to be so thick, so I just toned that down a little bit. So this catches the light. Now let's just go ahead and grab that light and zoom in a little bit. And just kind of move it around so that you can see how the label is reacting to that light. And you'll see how the edges are catching the light nicely. So this creates that nice little separation between the two. So what the displacement node is doing is essentially it's pushing the image texture out along the surface normals, and that's giving us this illusion of thickness over there. It's not real thickness, it's just an illusion. It's just smoke and mirrors. So that's basically how you go about doing this. Now, if you want to emboss specific areas of this label, then that's a topic for a different video because you'll need to have a normal map associated with the image texture. However, for this example, I do not have one. And so for that, you will need to manually create one, which is a bit of work, but it can be done. And so, like I mentioned, that's for another video. Hope this kind of answered your question, and thanks for watching.